keep a pipe symbol. Let's say your HR admin is supposed to log into another account called as R Sharan or any user, guys. In fact, just give the name and you can see save this CSV file, or let's say if you want to remove the access, you can go ahead and delete the access. You can go ahead and remove their user accounts from the proxy column. That's it. That is how you are going to do that. So this is the place that, and this is the third option, how you are going to maintain your proxy management functionality in your SuccessFactors system, guys. I updated that, right? Let me import that so that it will be complete, guys. These are the three different options how you can manage your proxy assignments or deactivating the proxy assignments in your SuccessFactors system, guys. Employee import, browse for the file, 236 is the file, and go ahead and import your file into the system, guys. If at all there are any errors, it will throw you errors, guys.
Raghu, I have a question.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Raghu, like HR admin can see that he is able to see the following person. The person who is going to seen by the HR admin, he is also be able to see that.
No, Tasneem, it's not possible. It is only in one direction.
Okay.
Yeah.
We see. Okay, I understand.
Yep. That is how it is going to work with respect to your proxy management, guys. And yeah, now it is complete, guys. The proxy management. This is how you are going to work. And let me send you a documentation around your proxy management, because you don't see any proxy management documentation in the documentation that I shared you. In fact, like you don't see any documentation on the proxy management from SuccessFactors. I prepared a small 2 pages of notes with respect to the proxy management functionality. I'll share that with all of you guys. I'll send that tonight, guys. Any questions, guys? The things that we have discussed in today's session, or in fact like the things that we discussed so far.
Hi Raghu, this is Shiva.
Yeah.
As we know that we can create a super admins and admins from the provision system, right?
Yeah.
Super admin has by default has all the access proxy to all the admins and the employees.
Yeah.
How about admins? So we have to add from the file or import or
yes, Shiva. Usually you have to manage that from the proxy management or from the any of the 2 files, Shiva.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. Okay, guys, if you don't have any questions, I'm going to stop it here for today.
Sorry.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead.
If we export the file and in the column the user ID and proxy management proxy as well.
Yeah.
When we import, can user put as his name and import as a proxy user?
Yes, it's pretty much possible.
No, even though he's not allowed by provisioning system.
Yeah, that's possible. That's pretty much possible.
So is it a loophole or is it?
It's not a loophole. It's not a loophole, but who is going to import the UDF file? It's only administrator can import the UDF file, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So administrators can do anything. Like even if they are not going to import the file, they can go to the administration tools and they can do that.
So where you can stop the user to export.
No, user. See, first of all, user will not be able to see this administration tools, guys. That is what I was telling you, right, in the security session. Don't give any admin access to the users. So if they don't have admin access, right, they will not be able to come to this page. And this page is from this page only you can manage your proxies or your UDF file or your proxy import file. You will be able to manage only from this page. If you restrict users or the employees of your organization coming to this page, right, you don't see any problems. In 99% cases, you don't see any problem, guys.
Okay, got your point, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, guys. Then we'll meet in tomorrow's session at the same time, which is going to be like 8 p.m. Eastern, and we'll see like how far we'll be able to complete tomorrow. And yeah, I don't think so. I'll be able to take. I don't think so. We'll be able to take session on this weekend, but we'll see at least for next weekend if you are able to manage some 1 or 2 sessions, right? That will be really good, guys.
Well, Raghu.
Yeah, Victor.
Yeah, when are we looking at actually completing this introductory mastery?
See, if we have sessions on Saturday, Sunday, yes, by Sunday session, we will be able to complete the introduction to mastery, Victor. But if you are not going to meet on Saturday and Sunday, right, it is going to be like probably like by Tuesday or Wednesday, we'll be able to complete these sessions, Victor.
All right.
Yeah.
But are we still on course?
Pardon, Victor?
Are we still on course to actually finish in the next 4 weeks to 5 weeks?
No, that is the reason. Like everyone has to cooperate, guys. If you want to finish it little bit fast, I mean, say sooner. Yes, we have to sit at least 1 day, guys. Saturday or Sunday. In fact, it's up to you. If it is okay on Sunday morning, even that is fine with me. Let's say Sunday morning.
Even if you want to do, it's going to be Saturday probably.
Alright.
8 to 10 a.m. EST or 7 to 9 a.m. EST. I don't want to waste your daytime, guys, because I know like everyone has to spend time with families. So that is the reason I'm going to keep it early morning. See, guys, if it is going to meet your expectations or if you don't have any other... Okay, cool.
I mean, Raghu, for me, 8 to 10 is fine. So,
okay. Why can't you at 7, guys? Because it's up to you, guys. Because see, if we start at 8, right, we are almost eating away like 10, which means that your half of the day is gone. At least I am talking about people in who are in Eastern time zone.
Yeah, anything is fine, Raghu. I think you should just schedule a time, and then we should all stick to it if we want the course to be over soon.
Yeah, sure, guys.
And it's just for a month, so I am pretty flexible on the weekends. I mean,
great.
we can make that time.
Yep.
Me too, Raghu.
Yeah, in fact, guys, if you miss this session, right?
Make it next week, Saturday, Sunday. This week,
Okay. No, yeah, that's fine, guys. That's always okay with me. But if 1 or 2 not able to attend this particular session, right? I will promise you definitely immediately after the class, if you give me 1 or 2 hours of time, I'll generate the video and I'll share that video with you guys. So that by next class, you will be up to the same level when compared to the other people who attended that particular session, guys. You don't miss anything. And in fact, like I'll answer all your questions before starting the next topic in next day, guys.
That's perfect.
if it is Saturday, if you can keep it at the same time at 8 o'clock, I'm fine with that. But apart from that, that's going to be really rough for me because I have a class from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. on Saturday.
Raghu, I don't think that's preferable for me, bro.
See. Yeah. Victor, 1 second, Victor. See, Sunday 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. And if I know like Moshin, are you able to attend this thing or not?
Sunday, I'm fine. It's all good for me.
Cool. Victor, what about you, Victor?
No, I'll be in church, man.
Okay. I'll do one thing, Victor. I'll send this video after the Sunday session, 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. immediately after the class. Is that fine with you?
It's alright. Okay.
Okay, cool. Awesome. And anyone else, guys?
Hey, Raghu, you're talking about this Sunday? I mean,
Yeah.
this weekend?
Yes.
This weekend.
This weekend.
Raghu, this dynamic It's 4 a.m. for me.
Oh.
Can we make it next week because it's very
Yeah.
short?
Yeah, okay, guys. No worries, guys. Let me keep
Yeah,
it
this
from next
Sunday
week.
I'm also not there.
No worries. Let's keep this session from next week onwards, so that if people have something, right, they can manage, because you have 1 week time, right? Something can be adjusted. You can adjust yourself. So we'll keep sessions on weekends starting from next week, guys. Not this week. This week there are no weekend sessions on Saturday, Sunday. We'll finish our session for tomorrow, which is Friday, and again we'll meet on Monday, guys. Okay?
Thank you.
Okay, guys. Yep. Thank you, guys. Bye. Good night, guys.
Okay.
Yep. Bye.
Bye, good night.
Bye.
Okay, Raghu. Thank you.